Morning, students. I am Professor Priya Sharma of EC Department, SIRT College, Bhopal. Sage Anandam. So, this is our lecture 14 of the lecture series Digital Circuit System subject, which we are going through nowadays. Lecture 14 will cover the pulse code modulation. So, basically, what is a pulse code modulation? It is a method which is used to convert analog signal to a digital signal. This is how the transmitter and receiver part X. The analog signal is first passed to an analog to digital signal and the digital output is created. Then this digital output is passed through a digital to analog converter and an analog signal is converted. So basically PCM is a three step process. The analog signal is first sampled, then it is quantized and then it is encoded and then it is transmitted. This is the basic block diagram of a PCM at the transmitter and receiver ends. So basically, first of all, the analog signal is passed through a low pass filter where all the components containing the lower frequencies are passed and the components containing the higher frequencies are rejected by this LPF filter. Then this continuous signal is passed to a sampler where the samples takes place, and after sampling it is being quantized. What the quantizer do is quantizer sets the sampled values to a fixed quantum levels. Then this quantum leveled signal is passed through an encoder where the quanted signals are encoded as one or zeros. Then it is passed through a transmission channel, and these regenerative repeaters will again boost up the signals in case of any noise or distortions occurs between these transmission. At the receiving end, the whole of the opposite process takes place here. A regenerator circuit is there for the regeneration of the signal which is being transmitted from here. A decoder will decode the coded signals. Then the reconstruction filter circuit will reconstruct this coded signal, and at the destination we will again receive the analog signal. So summarizing the pulse code modulation operation, the PCM is a digital pulse modulation system. PCM output is in the coded digital form. The information is transmitted in the form of code words in the form of 1 and zeros. It consists of a PCM encoder, that is transmitter, and a PCM decoder, that is the receiver. The essential operation in the PCM transmitters are sampling, quantizing, and encoding. The advantages of the PCM includes it is robust against noise and interference, uniform transmission quality, efficient signal to noise ratio and bandwidth trade-off. It provides secure data transmission. It offers efficient regeneration. It is easy to add or drop the channels between the transmissions. Disadvantage portion converts. Large bandwidth is required for the transmission. It has more attenuation. The difference between the original analog signal and the translated digital signal is known as the quantization error. Encoding, decoding, and quantizing circuit of PCM is very, very complex. Applications includes it is used in telephone voice communication, it is used in CDs, PCM is used in the satellite transmission systems, and many more. So that's all for the pulse code modulation. It is very simple and I think now it is easy. Only the circuit is main for this. In case of any query, you can contact me. That's all for today's lecture. All the very best students. Work very hard. Thank you. Sage Ananda.